How to get refund from Hopper. To request a refund from Hopper, follow these steps. Check the cancellation or refund policy for your booking in the Hopper app. Some bookings, like non-refundable flights or hotel reservations, may not qualify for a refund unless specific options, example, Hopper's cancel for any reason plan, were purchased. Log into the Hopper app and go to the Trips tab to find your booking. Tap on the trip or booking you want to request a refund for. Look for the option to cancel your booking or request a refund. If you purchased additional protection, like cancel for any reason, follow the steps provided for filing a claim. If you're unable to request a refund directly in the app or encounter issues, contact Hopper's support. Open the app, then go to your profile, top left corner, and select Help Center or Contact Us and submit a request. Provide all necessary details, including booking confirmation numbers and reasons for the refund. After submitting a request, you should receive an email confirmation. Check your email for updates. Thanks for watching.